welcome back to the channel, My Curly Girls and Me. Make sure you don't leave without subscribing. Click the bell to get the notifications so you won't miss any of our future uploads. So Curlbox was having their birthday celebration birthday box, so I grabbed that. It was like what, a week ago, about, yeah, earlier in the week, and it came just a little bit ago. And let's see what goodies we have for the Curlbox. It's supposed to be good. Curlbox is always good to me, so this one should be bomb. Let's see, moment of reveal. Curlbox birthday box. Oh, pretty picture. I'll look at this later. Let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. I got a peek. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I should have had my face on camera, but oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try this throughout my whole curly girl journey, and that's been back since like 2011, 2012. Oh my goodness. And I think around the time when I first came into Curlbox, like last year, they had a box, and I kept trying to get that box with these products in it, but it kept being sold out. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I've been wanting to try the Chemic Biologics for so long. Oh, this is so cool. Such a great box. Oh wow. It has, okay, the castor, it has the castor and amla nourishing pomade here. It has the Ethiopia hydrating twist butter. I know I'm not saying that right, but there you go, you can see. Look at this. It smells so good, so good. And it has the moringa tree conditioning ghee with coconut oil and Ayurvedic botanicals. It conditions and detangles the hair. Let's see if they all smell the same. Smells good too, and it's not gonna be like overpowering and so fragrancy like so many of the products out nowadays. This is the Egyptian wheatgrass cleansing tea with wheatgrass and barley. I got a little thing on there. And the castor and moringa softening serum. I'm so excited. Hey. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products here in the box. So excited. So that's what we have in the Curlbox birthday box. And now we can look at the card here, and it shows you right there what it is. That's what we have for this box. So excited to use this. I'm so happy and thrilled with this box. Thank you, Curlbox, again for another awesome box. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you thumbs it up and click the bell to get notifications after you have subscribed, and make sure you receive all of the notifications. And until next time, Lord says the same, you will see me in the next one. Keep it real and keep watching.